Hi everyone, it's Gina from Gina K Designs and welcome back to another 5-minute card video. Today I'm going to show you a technique called stamping with baby wipes. To begin, you're going to need some baby wipes, and I'm using Huggies Baby Wipes, but you can use any baby wipes you want. I'm going to get an acrylic block as my base, and I'm going to turn this baby wipe into an ink pad. First, I'm folding it in thirds one way and then in thirds another way, and then I'm going to pat it down onto the block to kind of make it stick to the block a little bit. The first color that I'm going to use is Jelly Bean Green, and I'm going to squeeze a couple lines of Reinker into the center of that baby wipe. My second color is Turquoise Sea. Now I'm going to squeeze a line on either side of that Jelly Bean Green. And my final color will be Wild Lilac. Now when you're choosing your colors, make sure that you choose colors that are close to each other on the color wheel. This way when these colors blend together, they're not going to clash and turn brown. The stamp I'm using is a butterfly stamp from the Fluttering Fall Layering Stencil bundle, and I'm just using the inside stamp of the butterfly. I'm tapping that onto my makeshift ink pad, and then as I press down onto the cardstock, I want to give just a couple seconds for the ink to transfer from that stamp onto the paper. So don't pull it up too quickly, just give it a minute and then pull it up. That'll give you a beautiful watercolored look, almost a little batik looking. And when you're doing this, just randomly stamp the butterflies or whatever image you're using all over the surface of this cardstock. Now when you're making a pattern like this on the background, make sure you stamp off the edges so that it looks like actual patterned paper. And you can see how beautiful those butterflies are, even though we're not going to put the centers on there or we're not going to fill in the wings in any other way. So I mounted that onto a black panel and onto an ocean mist card base, and now I am adhering a big word on there. I'm using the Hello die from the A Little Hello Layering Stencil bundle, but you can use any big word. You can even stamp a word on there if you want in black, or you can emboss it with embossing powder, however you want that to look. I'm adding a few Mermaid scale sequins to this, and this is a very, very simple card that has a really unique watercolored look by using baby wipes as your ink pad. And there are my finished cards. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's 5-minute card video, and I hope you'll give this one a try. Stay tuned to my channel for more 5-minute card videos and more Stamp and Chat videos too. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again real soon.